Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to learn a new topic. The name of the new topic is fractions. In these fractions we are going to see multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. Okay, first we are going to learn multiplication of fractions. Before we go into the topics, let us revise what is fraction. See here, fractions. A fraction represents a part of a whole. Fraction represents a part of a whole. Okay. So part of a whole means part of the entire things. Okay. So the fractions are used to represent quantities less than 1. Quantities less than 1. Fraction is a part of a whole, and next condition, the fractions are used to represent quantities less than 1. Less than 1. Okay. See the example here. What is this, children? What is the name of this? Pizza. Very good, children. Look at the pizza is divided into how many parts, children? How many parts can you guess? Yes, 3 parts. Look at all the parts, whether all the parts are equal or different, children? Equivalent. Very good, children. So, the pizza is divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, 3 equal parts. Okay. And see, children, the one part is represent 1 by 3. It means totally we have 3 parts. I taken only one part. So it represents 1 by 3. Okay, children. See the next one. Here the pizza is divided into how many parts, children? 4 parts. And all the parts are equal or different, children? Equal. Okay. So now the pizza is divided into 4 equal parts. So in this out of 4, I am taking only one part. Okay. So the one part is represent 1 by 4. The one part is represent 1 by 4. Okay, children. See here. What is this? Biscuit. Okay. Now the biscuit is divided into how many parts, children? 2 parts. So the one part is represent 1 by 2. Okay. See the next one. The biscuit is divided into how many parts, children? 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 parts. Okay. So in this I am taken 2 pieces. Okay. So 2 by 4. Okay. See here. Here the biscuit is divided into how many parts, children? You count it. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 parts. Out of 6 I have taken 3 parts. Okay, children. So it represents 3 by 6. Okay. Okay, children. What is this? And what is that? Okay. See here. This is fraction bar. This line is represent fraction bar. Okay. So above the fraction bar is called numerator. Okay, the below the fraction bar is called a denominator. Okay, children. So above the fraction bar is called a numerator. Below the fraction bar is called a denominator. Denominator means total number of equal parts. Okay. Numerator means number of equal parts which has been taken. Suppose here 2 parts are there. In this, out of 2 parts, I taken only 1 part. So it represents 1 by 2. Okay, children. See here totally we have 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, I taken 2 parts. So denominator is represent total number of equal parts. Numerator is represent number of equal parts which has been taken. Do you understand, children? So what is fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. Part of a whole. Okay. So and then it is used to represent quantities less than 1. It means if you divide the number, what you will get, children? 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. 0.5 is less than 1. Okay. So you simplify whatever numbers, if you simplify, the result should be less than 1. The quantity is less than 1 only. The quantities is less than 1. You understand, children? Shall I move on to the next? So in this chapter, we are going to see multiplication of fractions. Okay. So in the multiplication of fractions, we are going to see these things. Okay. Fractions multiplied by a whole number. First one, the fractions multiplied by a whole number. See here, 2 is a whole number. 3 into 2 by 5 is a mixed fractions. Okay. So first one is fractions multiplied by a whole number. Here fraction. Okay. Is multiplied with a whole number. Okay. See the next one. Fraction as an operator. See the question, 3 of 1 by 2. So, of is the operator here. It means 3 into 1 by 2. So, you replace the of with multiplication symbol. Okay. So, you remove this, you use multiplication symbol there. Of means into, multiply. Okay. And see the third one, fractions multiplied by a fraction. Here 1 by 3 is a fraction, 2 by 5 is a fraction. So fractions multiplied by a fraction. Let's see the exercise. Exercise 2.1. First question. See that? Third question we are going to see. Okay, exercise 2.1. Third question. Find the products. Find the products. 5 by 18 into 24. 5 by 18 into 24. So we are going to multiply. Before multiply the numbers, we have to check any possibilities are there or not. We have to check any common factors are there or not. Okay, see here. 5, 18, there is no common factor. But 18, 24, we have the common factor. Okay, so 6 table, these two numbers will be up here. So the common factor is 6. First you divide this. After that you multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Okay. Divide numerator and denominator by a common factor if it is possible. So you have to do that step first. After that you multiply the numerators, then you multiply the denominators. Okay children. See here. Divide 18, divide by 6, you get 3. 24, divide by 6, you get 4. Okay. Now you multiply the numerators. Here numerator is 5 and 4. 4 means it represents 4 by 1. Okay children. So 5 4s are, you multiply these two numbers. 5 4s are 20. 20 by denominators, what is that? 3. Okay. Now you convert this answer into mixed fraction. So you want to divide. 6 3s are 18. Now you subtract. 20 minus 18 you get 2. Okay. Or else the 0 is there. 0 minus 8 we can't subtract. So you borrow here. You cancel this, borrow 10. It becomes 10. 10 minus 8 2. So 1 minus 1. You have to do like this also. Okay children. Okay. Now what is the answer? Quotient is 6. Remainder is 2. Divisor is 3. Okay. So this is the answer. What is the answer children? 6 into 2 by 3. Do you understand children? I repeat this. 5 by 18 into 24. First you see, check that any common factors are there or not. Okay. See here. Here 18, 24. There is a common factor. 6 is there. So we are dividing by 6. After dividing by 6, we are getting that 4. Here 3. Okay. After that, we are multiplying the numerators. Numerator with the numerator. Denominator with the denominator. We need to multiply. So 5 4s are 20. Divide by 3. Okay. So we should give the answer in mixed fraction. Okay. So 20 divided by 3, you get 6 2 by 3. 6 2 by 3. Okay, children, do you understand? So I move on to the next question. 7 by 15. 7 by 15 into 10 by 11. See here, 7, 15, there is no common factor. 10 and 11, there is no common factor except 1. And crossly you check here. Okay, so 7, 11, there is no common factor. But 10 and 15, we have the common factor 5. So divide by 5. 15 divided by 5, you get 3. Okay, 10 divided by 5, you get 2. Okay, now you multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 7 2s are 14, divide by 3 11s are 33. So we can't divide this number, so you write as it is. So answer is 14 by 33. So this is proper fractions. Okay, this is proper fraction. And this is improper fraction. What is the difference between these two? Here, numerator is greater than the denominators. Okay, but here numerator is less than the denominator. Okay, so that is the difference. So this is a proper fraction, so we can't convert into mixed fraction. So leave it the answer as it is. Okay, I repeat this: 7 by 15 into 10 by 11. So see here, there is no common factor between 7 and 15 as well as 10 and 11. Okay, then crossly I am cancelling this number. So 15 divided by 5, I get 3. 10 divided by 5, 2. Now you multiply the numerators. 7 2s are 14. 3 11s are 33. So what is the answer? 14 by 33. Let's see the fourth one. 2 into 3 by 8 into 40. It is in the form of mixed fraction. So first you convert into improper fractions. Okay, 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 by 8 into 40. And 19 and 8, there is no common factor except 1. And crossly you check here. The common factor is 8. So 8 ones are 8. 8 fives are 40. Okay, now you multiply the numerators. 5 nines are 45. So 5 remaining 4. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4 9. So what is the answer? 95. Here denominator is 1. Okay, so 95 by 1 you get 95 only. Okay children, you understand? First you have to convert into improper fraction. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 by 8 into 40. Okay, then 8 ones are 8. 8 fives are 40. Okay, after that you multiply the numerators. 19 into 5 you get 95. See here denominator is 1. 95 by 1. 95 by 1 you get 95 only. Okay, any number divided by 1 we get the same number. Okay children, so what is the answer? 95 is the answer. You understand children? See here, 4 into 2 by 7 into 84. First we need to convert into improper fraction. So 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 30 by 7 into 84. Okay, now you divide this 30 by 7. There is no common factor between them except 1. And you crossly you check. 7 ones are 7. In 8, it occurs one time. 1 sevens are 7, remaining 1, and next number for 14, 2 times it occurs, 12. Okay, now you multiply this number. Here 1 0 is there, you put it 0. Just you multiply 3 into 12. Okay, 3 12s are 36. So what is the answer children? Answer is 360. Here denominator is 1 only. Any number divided by 1 you get the same number. That's why I written 360. Okay. I repeat this. 4 into 2 by 7 into 84. So it is in the form of mixed fraction. So So you have to convert into improper fraction. 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 30 by 7 into 84. Okay. 7 ones are 7. 7 twelves are 84. Okay. After that, you multiply the numerators. 30 into 12, you get 360. So what is the answer, children? 360. You understand, children? Let's move on to the next question. See the question, 7th one. 4 into 4 by 9 into 4 into 3 by 8. Here both the number have mixed fraction. First you have to convert into improper fraction. So 4 nines are 36. 36 plus 4, 40. 40 by 9 into 4 eights are 32. 32 plus 3, 35 by 8. Okay, now check here. There is no common factor except 1, and here also there is no common factor except 1. And cross you check, children. See here, 48. 8 ones are 8. 8 fives are 40. Then 935, there is no common factor except 1, so we can't cancel. So now you multiply the numerators. After that, you multiply the denominators. Okay, 5 into 35. 5 5s are 25. 5 remaining 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Divided by 9 into 1, 9. Now you convert into convert into mixed fractions. 175 divided by 9. So 1 9s are 9. Here 7 minus 9 we can't subtract. So 17, 17 minus 9 we get 8. Next number is 5. Now 85 we have 9 9s are 81. Now you subtract 5 minus 1 4. 8 minus 8 0 only. So here the quotient is 19. Remainder is 4. Divisor is 9. So what is the answer, children? 19 into 4 by 9. Do you understand, children? See here, I repeat this. This is mixed fraction. Both the number have mixed fraction. First you convert into improper fraction. After converting 40 by 9 into 35 by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 fives are 40. Now multiply this. 5 into 35 you get 175. 9 into 1, 9. After dividing this number, you are getting 19 into 4 by 9. You understand, children? See here, 7 into 2 by 9 into 135. Okay. Now you convert into improper fraction. Okay. 7 nines are 63. 63 plus 2, you get 65. 65 by 9 into 135. Okay, so 65 by 9 we can't divide, but 135, these two numbers we can divide. Okay, so 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 13 minus 9 we get 4, here 5 is at 45, 5 times, okay, 9 5s are 45. Now you multiply these two numbers, 65 into 15. First you take the ones digit. 5 5s are 25, 5 remaining 2, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Next you take the tens digit. 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6. 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 6 plus 3, 9. So what is the answer, children? 975. What is the answer? 975. Do you understand, children? See the next one. Find the values of 2 by 9 of 27. Here operators they are used. Okay. So 2 by 9. First you replace the of. You have to put into 27. After that, you check the common factors. 2 by 9, there is no common factor except 1. But 927 here, common factor is there. So 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. Okay, now you multiply the numerators, 2 threes are 6. 6 by 1, what you will get, children? 6 only. So what is the answer? 6. Okay, I repeat this. 2 by 9 of 27. So first you replace the of by multiplication symbol. So 2 by 9 into 27. Okay, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. After that you multiply the numerators. 2 threes are 6. Okay, children? See the third one. 1 into 2 by 3 of 15 liters. First you convert into improper fraction. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 3 of 15 liters. Okay, now replace this 5 by 3 into 15 liters. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Now you multiply the numerators, 5 fives are 25. 25 liters. So what is the answer, children? 25 liters. So first you convert into improper fraction. So 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 by 3 of 15 liters. So replace the of into 5 by 3 into 15 liters. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So 5 fives are 25. So what is the answer, children? 25 liters. Fourth one, 2 by 5 of 45 kilograms. Okay, kg. Okay, so 2 by 5, replace this into 45 kilogram. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 30. Sorry, 5 nines are 45. 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. Now you multiply the numerators. 2 nines are 18. Okay, now denominator is 1. 18 by 1 you get 18 only. Okay, so 18 kilogram. So what is the answer, children? 18 kilogram. You understand, children? Thank you, children.